AI-powered gadgets for under $100? Yeah, you heard that right. We're diving deep into the world of affordable AI technology. We'll check out 5 gadgets that promise AI magic for less than $100. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic. We're talking smart speakers, specifically the Amazon Echo Dot and the Google Nest Mini. These little guys have become staples in homes everywhere, and for good reason. They pack a surprising amount of AI punch for their size. Imagine walking in after a long day and saying, "Hey Google, turn on the lights and set the thermostat to 72. Boom, instant comfort. These smart speakers are like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. Need to set a reminder for your dentist appointment? Just ask. Want to know the latest news headlines while you're making breakfast? Done. They can even tell you jokes if you're feeling down. Both the Echo Dot and the Nest Mini regularly go on sale for well under $50. So you're getting a ton of functionality for a fraction of the price of those high-end smart speakers. Now, let's talk sound quality. Obviously these aren't going to replace your dedicated sound system, but for their size, they sound surprisingly good. The Echo Dot has a slightly warmer sound while the Nest Mini has a bit more clarity. In terms of design, they both have that minimalist modern look that blends in with any decor. The Echo Dot has a more spherical design while the Nest Mini is a bit flatter like a pebble. But let's get down to what matters. Are they worth it? Absolutely. For the price, you're getting an incredibly versatile device that can simplify your life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for an easy way to stay organized, a smart speaker is a no-brainer. Okay, let's be real, nobody actually enjoys vacuuming. It's one of those chores that always seems to take up more time and energy than we expect. But what if I told you there's a way to keep your floors spotless without ever having to break a sweat? Sounds too good to be true, right? Enter the AI robot vacuum. These little gadgets are revolutionizing the way we think about home cleaning. We're here to talk about the budget-friendly options, like the Eufy RoboVac 11S. It's affordable yet surprisingly effective. This little guy might not have all the bells and whistles of its pricier counterparts, but it gets the job done. It's perfect for those who want a clean home without the hefty price tag. It uses sensors to navigate around your furniture and under beds, picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair along the way. No more bending over or moving heavy furniture. And the best part is, you can control it all from your phone. Whether you're at home or away, you have full control at your fingertips. Imagine this, you're at work, and you realize you forgot to vacuum before your in-laws come over. Panic sets in, but then you remember, no problem. Just whip out your phone, open the Eufy app, and tell your robot vacuum to start cleaning. Crisis averted. By the time you get home, your floors will be sparkling clean. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is also surprisingly powerful for its size. Don't let its compact design fool you. It has a suction power of 1,300 PA, which is more than enough to suck up all those pesky crumbs and dust bunnies. You'll be amazed at what it can pick up. And with a runtime of up to 100 minutes, it can clean multiple rooms on a single charge. No need to constantly recharge. It has a slim design that allows it to easily maneuver under furniture and other tight spaces. It goes where traditional vacuums can't. It also has drop sensing technology, so you don't have to worry about it tumbling down the stairs. Safety first. When the battery gets low, the RoboVac 11S will automatically return to its charging dock. It's smart and self-sufficient. But the real question is it worth it? Should you invest in this little helper? If you hate vacuuming and you're looking for an affordable way to keep your floors clean, then absolutely. It's a game changer for busy households. The Eufy RoboVac 11S might not have all the fancy features of the high-end models, but it's a solid, reliable robot vacuum that gets the job done. It's a small investment for a big return in convenience and cleanliness. Alright, let's talk about something that used to be the stuff of science fiction, real-time language translation. It's a fascinating concept that has now become a reality. Thanks to AI, we now have pocket-sized devices that can translate languages with impressive accuracy. These gadgets are revolutionizing the way we communicate across different languages. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get your hands on one. These devices are designed to be budget-friendly, making them accessible to everyone. There are a ton of affordable AI translation devices on the market, like the Pocket Translator. Each one offers unique features to cater to different needs. This little gadget might not look like much, but it's capable of translating over 70 languages in real time. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. Imagine this. You're traveling through a foreign country, and you need to ask for directions. The language barrier can be a real challenge. Instead of fumbling through a phrase book or relying on questionable hand gestures, You can simply whip out your pocket translator, say what you need in your native language, and it will translate it instantly. It's that simple and efficient. But it's not just for travelers. These devices are incredibly versatile and can be used in various situations. Imagine being able to have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language without having to learn a single word. It's a game changer for personal and professional interactions. Whether you're trying to communicate with a new neighbor, a colleague from overseas, or even just a fellow gamer online, an AI translation device can break down those communication barriers. It opens up a world of possibilities. The Pocket Translator uses a combination of speech recognition, machine translation, and text-to-speech technology to provide accurate and natural-sounding translations. This ensures that your conversations flow smoothly. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and you can use the companion app to select your languages and access additional features. This integration makes it even more powerful and user-friendly. It's incredibly intuitive, even if you're not tech-savvy. The design is user-friendly, ensuring that anyone can use it with ease. Simply select your languages, press the button, and start speaking. The device takes care of the rest, providing you with instant translations. The device will translate your words in real time, and you can even have a two-way conversation. This makes it perfect for meaningful interactions. Another great feature is the offline translation capability. This ensures that you are never left stranded without a way to communicate. You can download language packs to your device so you can use it even when you don't have an internet connection. This is especially useful in remote areas. The Pocket Translator is an affordable and incredibly useful gadget that can make communication a breeze. It's a must-have for anyone looking to break down language barriers effortlessly. Okay, let's be real. Staying motivated to hit the gym or go for a run can be tough. We all have those days when getting out of bed feels like a monumental task, and the thought of lacing up those gym shoes is just too much. But what if you had a tiny AI-powered coach on your wrist, tracking your every move and cheering you on? Imagine having a personal trainer who never leaves your side, always ready to motivate you. We're here to talk about the Xiaomi Mi Band 7, an AI fitness tracker that packs a punch without breaking the bank. This little device is designed to be your ultimate fitness companion. This sleek little device might look unassuming, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with advanced technology that can help you stay on top of your health and fitness. It's loaded with features that can help you take control of your health and fitness goals. From tracking your daily activities to monitoring your workouts, it does it all. We're talking about tracking your steps, heart rate, sleep patterns, and even your stress levels. It's like having a health dashboard right on your wrist. Imagine this. You're having a particularly stressful day at work and your Mi Band 7 notices your heart rate spiking. It's like having a personal assistant who knows when you need a break. It gently vibrates on your wrist, reminding you to take a few deep breaths and relax. This subtle nudge can make a big difference in managing your stress levels. It even guides you through some quick breathing exercises to help you de-stress. These exercises are designed to calm your mind and body, making it easier to get through the day. The Mi Band 7 is also a powerful tool for tracking your fitness progress. Whether you're jogging, cycling, or doing a home workout, it keeps you informed. It can track your steps, distance, calories burned, and even your pace and cadence during workouts. This detailed feedback helps you understand your performance better. And with its built-in GPS, you can even track your runs and bike rides without having to carry your phone. This feature is perfect for those who prefer to travel light. On a single charge, it can last up to 2 weeks, so you don't have to worry about constantly charging it. This long battery life ensures it's always ready when you are. And with its water-resistant design, you can wear it in the shower or even while swimming. No need to take it off and risk forgetting to put it back on. The Mi Band 7 tracks your sleep stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, so you can get a better understanding of your sleep patterns. This insight can help you improve your overall sleep quality. If you're looking for an affordable and feature-packed fitness tracker that can help you stay motivated and reach your health goals, then absolutely. The Mi Band 7 offers incredible value for its price. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 is a fantastic option that punches well above its weight class. It's a small investment for a big impact on your health and fitness journey. Alright, let's talk about something that might seem a bit old school in our digital world: handwriting. In the age of laptops, tablets, and smartphones, you might be wondering why we're even talking about pens. But trust me, There's something incredibly satisfying about putting pen to paper, especially when that pen is powered by AI. I'm talking about the AI Writing Assistant Pen, a revolutionary device that helps you improve your handwriting and spelling using the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine this: you're a student struggling to keep up with your notes, or maybe you're a writer who's prone to making careless spelling mistakes. The AI Writing Assistant Pen acts as your personal writing coach, gently vibrating when you make a mistake and providing real-time suggestions to help you improve. But it's not just about correcting mistakes. The AI Writing Assistant Pen also helps you develop better handwriting habits. It analyzes your writing style and provides personalized feedback on your letter formation, spacing, and slant, helping you develop neater, more legible handwriting over time. It's not just for students or writers, it's also a great tool for anyone who wants to improve their handwriting, whether you're a doctor who needs to write prescriptions clearly, or an artist who wants to improve their calligraphy skills. Unlike some other AI writing tools that require an internet connection, the AI Writing Assistant Pen works offline so you can use it anywhere, anytime. And with its long battery life, you can write for hours without having to worry about it running out of juice. If you're someone who values the art of handwriting and wants to improve their skills, then absolutely. The AI Writing Assistant Pen is an innovative and surprisingly affordable tool that can help you take your writing to the next level. That's it for today. 5 AI gadgets under $100 that prove you don't need to break the bank to experience the future of tech. From smart speakers that double as personal assistants to robot vacuums that clean your floors while you relax, these gadgets offer incredible value for their price. So, which one of these AI wonders are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're there, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to AI Gadget Prodigy for more awesome tech reviews and guides. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.